Hello everyone, Andrew here with a new YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for almost, I think, 20k subscribers. The support has been amazing and obviously you guys enjoy the content, especially the raw videos that I did and also exposing prop firm scams, which I think I'm the only one that actually exposes these prop firms. But in today's video I want to talk about the future of Forex prop firms and why are so many big traders in the industry switching to futures. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Andrew. I'm 25, turning now. I've been trading the Forex markets for almost 7 years, I think, and I'm currently funded with around $6 million across all Forex prop firms. So Forex trading has been my main trading income for so many years. I've never looked at other markets. I've tried crypto trading, but it never really worked out for me. So I just stuck by what I knew best, and that is trading Forex, which is usually Euro USD, GBP USD and gold. There was no reason for me to try other markets because I've been very profitable and I've kept increasing my capital through these prop firms and obviously making more money from the markets, which is an amazing thing. So recently a lot of prop firms have been removing MetaTrader 4 and 5 and switching to other platforms such as DXTrader, CTrader and MatchTrader, which I'm gonna discuss in another video. But in this one I just want to talk about the futures market and why almost all the biggest trading guys in the space such as Paladin, JadeCap, Kimmel, they've all stated that they're gonna go towards the futures market. Now they're not gonna go entirely on the futures market, but they are gonna split their risk portfolio in trading the Forex and also trading futures. I think a big reason for that is because most traders, they do trade Euro USD and GBP USD, which are the main pairs that are traded. That combined with all the prop firm uncertainty, I think it's making everyone switch to the futures market, including me in the future. But let's address them one by one. So first of all, the Forex market has been very difficult the past, I think since December, let's call it almost 3 months now, has been very tough to trade, especially Euro USD and GBP USD, mostly because there's been a lot of, let's call it manipulation, but there's also been a lot of uncertainty in the fundamental market. So it's been really tough to trade Euro USD and GBP USD, and I've seen a lot of traders struggle with that. We've had a big Euro USD drop with no retracement, and now for the past 2 or 3 weeks price has just been ranging, so it's been very tough to trade. While on the other hand, the futures market, if you're trading S&P, if you're trading ES, I'm not really familiar. I think now you can also trade the Euro index, the GBP index, which is very similar to Euro USD, GBP USD. But that is, I think, one of the reasons. The second reasons, and also these reasons that I'm stating now, are the reasons that I'm gonna also go for futures trading. The second reason is obviously the prop firm situation, because there's been so many prop firms launching now in the Forex space, which most of them are scams. So they find reasons not to allow you to get funded, or they even scam you of your payouts. What happened to me when I basically got scammed out of $30,000 by a prop firm just because I was profitable. So you can watch that video on my channel. But also the old prop firms that are here to stay, basically, which are legit, they are switching platforms. I think most of them switched platforms like twice in the last weeks. So it's been very tough to follow everything and also to basically trade on those. So for example, Funding Engineer, they went down because some misunderstanding, and it's been almost a month, and just now they're opening back up. So it's a 1 month difference where you cannot trade on that specific prop firm. Now the reason that I am probably gonna look to also trade futures is because it's getting very tough to manage all the accounts now, because you don't have all the accounts on MetaTrader anymore, and you can use a trade copier such as Traders Connect to just have all accounts in one place and place a trade, and it gets copied to every account. Now you're gonna have that account on DXTrader, that account on that MatchTrader, that account on CTrader, maybe you're gonna have one MetaTrader 5 account. So I've personally struggled with that, having so many accounts, $6 million in funding. I just cannot follow because you don't have all accounts in one place. So that's one reason of it. I think that's going to be a big thing for me, because as far as I've seen on the futures market, you can copy trades between the accounts if you're using like TradeLock or any other platform. So that is one big advantage that the futures market have. Now the third thing that I would say made a lot of people go towards the futures market is because you also have prop firms. So there's also ways to get capital to trade futures market. But a big thing, which is also the most important important thing that will also make me go towards the futures market in the future is that you have no spread on indices. I think on everything you don't have any commission, and you also have instant execution. So I've played around with an Apex account to see what it's like to trade. It has different terms, so you have contracts and also ticks or points, so it's a bit different. But what I've noticed is that you don't have spread, you don't have manipulation, and you have very good execution. So all these three things, and commission also, is just game changing, because there is no more playing around. As you probably see in my Forex funds, they had plugins to manipulate your spread, to get you stopped out and all of that. You have big swap fees and everything. So there's a lot of factors that are going against you to become a profitable trader, while on the futures market you do not have those. So if you take a trade on the S&P, let's say, you get instant execution, no commission, no slippage. It's just your analysis. You enter there and you either take profit or stop loss. Nothing more than that. So it's a lot more simpler. That's what I noticed, and that's what I will probably do in the next few weeks. I will start to analyze the futures market, create my strategy around it, and then start trading those on the side. So I will still keep my $6 million portfolio in the Forex market, because that's bringing me 3%, 4% a month, or 2%. Or anywhere between 2 and 4% a month, which is very good money. But I'm just thinking on the long term, and that is that the futures market is probably gonna gain a lot of traction in the next few months from the Forex trading base. And for the reason that I stated, that's a fact that's gonna happen. And with that, we should also see lots of new prop firms appearing in the futures market, because again, if the Forex traders are moving to the futures market, they already know about prop firms and they use them. So it's not gonna be a very big transition to the futures prop firm space. So I think that's the move that's going to happen in the whole industry in the next few months. I think a lot of new prop firms are going to appear in the futures market. They're going to start undercutting each other, exactly how it happened in the Forex space. If you remember, FTMO was the first. They had a 10% target, 5% target, they had minimum days, they had all these rules, and then new prop firms came into the space and they kept undercutting. They kept adding better rules, better payouts, better everything, until we are at the point that we are today, which is a very big advantage for us traders. So I think the same thing is going to happen to the futures market. You only have like 3 or 4 prop firms in the futures space right now, and I think a lot more will appear and they will start undercutting each other. So they're gonna add, instead of trailing drawdown, which is a big thing that's keeping me from going to the futures market, because you have that trailing drawdown. So let's say you enter a trade, your trailing drawdown is $3,000, you go 6K into profit, and then that trade goes to 3K profit, your account is done and it's breached and you lost it. So I find that quite stupid. So I do think there's gonna be a prop firm that comes into the space that's gonna remove that trailing drawdown, which is gonna add just a standard balanced drawdown, have those targets, maybe 2-phase, and that's gonna probably gain a lot of popularity, because trading futures I think is a lot easier than Forex. But I will test that out, and obviously maybe I will make a series trying to pass these prop firms. Let me guys know if you want to see that. I will do a series on trading futures, maybe going for Apex or Top Trader, I think, or something like that, or for my funded futures. So my question to you guys is, if you can leave a comment down below, will you be looking to trade the futures market? Will that be something that this industry holds for the future? Will that be the move in the next few months, traders going from Forex? Because the thing is, I think that traders in the Forex space, they just got tired of losing because of external factors. When you're trading in the Forex market, even if you're trading a normal broker, they can B-book you, they add slippage, so they win based on your trades, which the futures market doesn't have. And I think traders and people in the Forex space, they just got tired of losing, because it's just annoying, right? We've all been there, where we have trades that get insane slippage, that make us breach the accounts or lose more than we needed. We get slippage when the take profit hits, so we don't earn the advertised, let's call it, money. We just make less, which is annoying. You got fees, commissions, which all play a role in making you fail. So I do think the futures market can be a good space to go towards if you are already profitable in the Forex space. So that is my plan for the next months. I will slowly look into the futures market, analyze, form a strategy, a trading plan, see what works, how it works, so I can be profitable. I think a lot of concepts that you use in trading Forex can be also applied to the futures market, so I don't think there's going to be a big difficulty. But it's better to have 2 portfolios, so if you have trading Forex, you've mastered it, you make consistent profits, you can use some of those profits to start going into the futures market. So let me guys know what your opinion is down in the comments, and also let me know if I should start the futures prop firm challenge, let's call it that, and see if I can pass it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.